A very fine spread, what? Bon appetit, my feline friends.
Anyone else feel a little too full?
I think I've gone sugar blind.
To the living room. We can chill out with a movie and a frustrating excuse for fort.
Why aren't you structurally sound?
I think my dad usually helps us.
How does Zeno do it? Ah!
Everything okay in here?
Absolutely. All under control.
You guys are adorable.
Stop treating us like babies, Felina. Besides, would babies watch Attack of the 50-Foot Jaguar?
That movie is definitely not recommended for kittens or pups.
Hey, we're in charge tonight, remember? And when the cat's away, the 50-Foot Jaguar will play.
This isn't so bad. I'm not scared at all. I kind of wish the Jaguar was bigger.
Boo!
Oh, hi, Felina. Didn't see you there.
Don't mind me. I need to head out for a bit. You're big enough to be left in charge, right? Home, alone, in the middle of the night, during a thunderstorm.
Of course. We can take care of ourselves. Munchkin, pass the popcorn.
Perfect. Enjoy the film and don't wait up. I'll be late.
I think that was the last scene anyway. Time for bed.
Why does everyone say that movie is so scary? I'm way too old to believe in 50-foot cats.
No need to freak out. It's probably one of your parents calling to say goodnight. Hello? Crawl residence? Flix Crawl speaking.
The 50-foot Jaguar is coming to get us, just like in the movie.
It's probably just Felina. That's it. She saw us watching the film and decided to play a prank. Still, better safe than sorry. There. Nothing to fear now.
The storm must have cut the power.
Or the Jaguar cut the power.
Shh. Nothing's coming to get us. Let's just think. What do adults do when there's a blackout?
They grab a torch.
Who? What? Felina? How did you get in? We locked the doors.
Yeah, with me inside. I made you think I went out, but I snuck back upstairs.
Oh, you were pranking us.
That's not fair. You said you'd leave us alone.
I'm sorry, Flix. I know you're grown up, but I just can't leave you home alone. And this blackout proves why. Imagine how scared you'd be if I wasn't here to...
You were saying?
Please tell me this is another prank, Felina.
No.
Sounds like you all need a guard dog. Ruff! You might cower in fear, but I'm old enough and brave enough to protect our house. I'm going to open that door because I don't believe in spooky stories, and there is no way it is a 50-foot jaguar here to eat us!
Escape out the back!
Butter popcorn paws.
The jaguar's inside the building.
to the shed. Go! I'm too young to become captured.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Okay, I think we're safe.
Oh no! Senor Snugglewumps! He's still in the living room!
What? But he's adorably snack-sized. He'll be eaten for sure. Don't worry, Snugglewumps. I'm coming! Ah!
The electricity's fine. The storm just blew a fuse.
Dear me, why are you in the shed? And who double-locked the front door?
I'm so glad you're not a monster.
I knew you were the monster. Everything's under control. We're all fine here. How are you? Oh, sounds like you missed us. We missed you too. We decided to come home early and check you were all right in the scary storm.
Scary? You think so? We weren't bothered at all.
It was a bit scary.
Then I know just the thing.
One extra special hot clam chocolate for Queen Felina. Ooh, Care Cats, my favorite.
And one tiny hot clam chocolate for the Signor.
I'll never leave you on your own again, the nice Snugglewumps.